Hi, sales fans. Jim Dandy here along with my colleague Gymnasium ringside, just moments away from the main event. And, oh look, here comes the Legends team.
That's right, Jim. A year ago, they rewrote the book on how a manufacturer rep agency wrestles with sales challenges by pairing their national account team with their field sales team to form their vaunted Legends tag team approach.
Right, Jim. As you can see, the challenges have only gotten bigger since then.
There are definitely more sales obstacles than ever.
Of course, with the added challenges, new opportunities have arisen too.
That's why Legends has been able to beef up their team with a powerful new team member, AI.
With AI, they've been able to build a unique, unified commission data platform spanning every manufacturer line they rep.
AI-powered intelligence has built on that foundation with white space targeting, cross-line distributor benchmarking, and strategic performance reviews no other rep agency can produce.
They provide AI-powered outreach and lead qualification across email, text, and voice.
Whoa, Jim! And that's the fourth member of the team, marketing. Unlike most rep companies, Legends really does have powerful marketing support.
Oh, that's gotta hurt!
You know, Legends really does
Maximize their sales potential.